Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Feedback loops and continuous improvement. Feedback loops and continuous improvement are pivotal components in the communication strategies necessary for navigating AI-driven change within modern workplaces. As AI and automation become more entrenched in business processes, organizations must adapt their communication and decision-making strategies to harness these technologies effectively. Feedback loops are essential for creating a dynamic environment where continuous improvement is not only encouraged, but systematically ingrained into the organizational culture. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can implement to enhance their proficiency in managing AI-driven change. Feedback loops refer to the process of using outputs from a system to influence inputs, thereby facilitating continual learning and adaptation. In the context of AI and automation, feedback loops enable organizations to refine algorithms, improve accuracy, and optimize processes. A classic example is seen in the development and deployment of machine learning models, where feedback on model performance is used to adjust and improve the model iteratively. This iterative process ensures that systems evolve based on real-world data and usage patterns, leading to more accurate and relevant outcomes. The concept of continuous improvement builds on feedback loops by emphasizing the ongoing effort to enhance products, services, or processes. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, developed by W. Edwards Deming, is a widely used framework for implementing continuous improvement. The PDCA cycle involves 4 stages: planning the change, implementing the change on a small scale, observing the results, and then acting based on what was learned. This cyclical process allows organizations to incrementally improve their operations, fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Implementing effective feedback loops in AI-driven environments requires a strategic approach. Organizations must first establish clear objectives and metrics to gauge success. For instance, a company deploying an AI-driven customer service chatbot might measure success by tracking customer satisfaction scores, response times, and resolution rates. These metrics provide quantifiable data that can be fed back into the system to refine the chatbot's algorithms and improve its performance. One practical tool for facilitating feedback loops is the use of dashboards and data visualization tools. These platforms, such as Tableau or Power BI, allow organizations to aggregate and display data in real time, providing a clear view of key performance indicators and other metrics. By visualizing data, stakeholders can quickly identify trends, anomalies, and areas for improvement, enabling more informed decision-making. For example, a manufacturing firm might use a dashboard to monitor production line efficiency, identifying bottlenecks, and making data-driven adjustments to enhance throughput. Case studies highlight the effectiveness of feedback loops and continuous improvement in practice. Toyota's production system, often cited as a benchmark for lean manufacturing, relies heavily on feedback loops to drive efficiency and quality. The company employs a Kaizen approach, which translates to change for better, encouraging employees at all levels to suggest improvements. By fostering an environment where feedback is actively sought and acted upon, Toyota has maintained its reputation for quality and innovation. Incorporating feedback loops into communication strategies also involves fostering a culture of openness and transparency. Employees must feel empowered to provide feedback without fear of retribution. This requires leadership to model open communication, actively listening to employee concerns, and demonstrating a commitment to addressing them. Psychological safety, a concept popularized by Amy Edmondson, is crucial in this context. It refers to the belief that one can speak up without facing negative consequences, thereby promoting a culture where feedback is freely given and received. Another practical framework for continuous improvement is the Lean Startup methodology, which emphasizes the importance of customer feedback in product development. This approach encourages organizations to build a minimum viable product, gather customer feedback, and iterate based on that feedback. By involving customers early in the development process, companies can ensure their products meet actual needs, reducing the risk of failure. This iterative cycle of build, measure, learn aligns closely with the principles of feedback loops and continuous improvement, providing a structured approach to innovation. In AI-driven workplaces, feedback loops can also be applied to employee engagement and development. Regular performance reviews, peer feedback, and 360-degree feedback are tools that can be used to gather insights into employee performance and development needs. By creating a structured process for feedback, organizations can identify skill gaps, provide targeted training, and foster a culture of continuous learning. This not only improves individual performance, but also enhances overall organizational effectiveness. Real-world examples further illustrate the transformative power of feedback loops and continuous improvement. Netflix, for example, uses a sophisticated recommendation algorithm that continuously learns from user interactions. By analyzing viewing patterns and user feedback, Netflix can refine its algorithm to provide more accurate and personalized recommendations, enhancing user satisfaction and engagement. This continuous feedback loop enables Netflix to maintain its competitive edge in the streaming industry. Moreover, the integration of AI and automation into feedback loops presents unique challenges and opportunities. AI systems can process vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that would be impossible for humans to glean manually. However, they also require careful oversight to ensure that feedback is interpreted correctly and that bias is minimized. Bias in AI systems can lead to skewed outcomes and perpetuate existing inequalities, underscoring the importance of diverse datasets and rigorous testing. To address these challenges, organizations can adopt a human-in-the-loop approach, where human oversight is integrated into the feedback loop process. This involves involving human judgment in critical decision-making points, ensuring that AI systems are aligned with ethical standards and organizational values. By combining the strengths of AI with human insight, organizations can create more robust and effective feedback loops that drive continuous improvement. In conclusion, feedback loops and continuous improvement are essential components of communication strategies for navigating AI-driven change in modern workplaces. By implementing structured feedback mechanisms, fostering a culture of openness, and leveraging practical tools and frameworks, organizations can enhance their adaptability and resilience in the face of technological advancements. Examples from industry leaders like Toyota and Netflix demonstrate the effectiveness of these strategies, while frameworks like PDCA and Lean Startup provide actionable guidance for professionals seeking to implement these concepts. As AI and automation continue to evolve, the ability to harness feedback for continuous improvement will be a defining characteristic of successful organizations. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.